Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever part of the world you are. My name is Izzy Lewis. I'm coming to you from the desk of my Credit Fix Now, which is a leg of my consulting firm of doing credit restoration. I also do consulting in career coaching as well as um, counseling for families with autism, healing autism. So today we will talk about our weekly, daily conversations that we've been having about credit restoration and credit reports. So today let's dive in. And remember, you can join us on Facebook, My Credit Fix Now, and I also invite you to like this video, subscribe with us for free information and conversation on credit scores. So let's talk today about judgment. What is a judgment? A judgment is a court order that results from a lawsuit. So it could be judgment on anything pertaining to a repayment of a debt. So, in other words, when you owe a creditor money and you don't pay them, the creditor can try to recover that money owed by taking you to court and by suing you. Okay. So let's talk about how this relates to credit score and credit report. So a judgment does not affect your credit score. However, it can affect how a creditor looks at your history. For example, when you're ready to go and apply for a new venture, whatever new application you're doing, they have the right to look into your public records and dig deep into that judgment, which in most cases it may not be positive. Okay, so a judgment is public records. So let's talk a little bit about judgments and how our services can support against or recovering or fixing or dealing with judgments. So, with us as a credit restoration company, we are able to dispute inaccuracies. So, for example, we wouldn't know anything until we then have you as a client to look deep into what's going on. But some of the examples of addressing the judgment may be in areas of inaccuracies. Example, they may be some verification, some information that needs to be verified from the court records. There may be some inaccuracies in reference to your personal information, scenarios, things of such nature. Clerical errors, they can be that you already paid that debt and they're trying to have you pay a second time. It could be that the period of statute of limitation expired, of which they're holding you accountable for. Another example could be that they are also that the debt belongs to someone else. It could be an error in reference to name and address information. It could also be that the lender no longer exists, so there's no communication, no verification that was received. And then once again, these are things that we cannot off the bat say, but when you are a client with us, we have the right to investigate and then on your behalf dig deeper. So always know that there's a solution for everything. And in our case, in my company, as much as this is a tip, I urge you to hire a company like ours. We're at www.mycreditfixnow.com to dig deeper into your personal situation. If you have any questions or comments, comment below, and you can always reach us at our 800 number. The email is customercare@mycreditfixnow.com. Again, I'm Izzy Lewis, certified in coaching and consulting, and I enjoy maximizing your potential. And remember, we do care about your credit. Talk to you soon, and bye-bye.